APEX 2011 now can save 3D-Spots data with the assembly document and display the results in the Optics Manager tree. In order to use this feature, you must first trace rays. In this particular system, we are tracing rays through a bent, square, or rectangular light pipe. Once the rays are traced through the optical system, you come over to the Analysis tab, click on Irradiance, and note that in order to display 3D spots, this box must be checked. You should also ensure that your window setting is set appropriately in order to capture all of the 3D spots. At that point, check OK for irradiance. APEX then represents the 3D spots within your viewing plane. As with the ray trace data, which you can hide, you can also hide and show the 3D spots in your diagram. The 3D Spots viewing capability is a very useful way to visualize how the rays are interacting with complex system geometry.